The Saiga antelope, native to the grasslands of Central Asia, holds a plethora of fascinating and lesser-known facts that are sure to captivate any curious mind. One remarkable feature is their distinctive, tubular nose, which hangs down over their mouth. This unusual adaptation serves multiple functions. It warms up cold air in winter, filters out dust during dry spells, and perhaps most impressively, it acts as a resonating chamber during the rutting season, amplifying their calls to attract mates over long distances. This nose, however, is also their Achilles heel, as it makes them particularly susceptible to respiratory diseases. Another mind-blowing aspect of the Saiga antelope is their remarkable reproductive strategy. Female sagas have the ability to delay implantation of fertilized eggs, a phenomenon known as embryonic diapause. This means that even if mating occurs early in the year, the embryos won't develop immediately. Instead, they can be kept in a suspended state until environmental conditions are optimal for giving birth, typically in the spring when there's an abundance of nutritious vegetation to support the mothers and their young. Furthermore, Saiga antelopes were once widespread across the Eurasian steppe, but their population has drastically declined over the last century due to various factors, including habitat loss, poaching, and disease outbreaks. In the early 1990s, their numbers plummeted by nearly 95% in just a few years, making them one of the most critically endangered species on the planet. Conservation efforts have since been underway to protect and restore their populations, but they remain highly vulnerable to environmental changes and human activities. One of the most astonishing aspects of the Saiga antelope is their role in shaping their ecosystem. As herbivores, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of grassland ecosystems. By controlling vegetation growth through grazing, their migrations also help disperse seeds and nutrients across vast distances, influencing the composition and structure of plant communities. Thus, the decline of Saiga populations not only threatens the survival of the species itself, but that also has broader implications for the health and resilience of the entire ecosystem they inhabit. In essence, the Saiga antelope is not just a remarkable creature in its own right, but also a symbol of the interconnectedness of species and ecosystems. Their unique adaptations, reproductive strategies, and ecological significance underscore the importance of conservation efforts aimed at preserving not only this enigmatic species, but also the delicate web of life that sustains us all.